This is a cow. It is black and white. It gives us milk. Its baby is called a calf. They say moo moo. This is a sheep. It is big and white. It gives us wool. Its baby is called a lamb. They say ba ba. This is a duck. Duck. It is a
Ano it is?
It has a yellow bill. Its baby is called a duckling. Duckling. They swim in the pond. They say quack quack quack. This is a hen. It is small and brown. It gives us
Eggs.
Its baby is called a chick. They say
Clock.
clock clock. Bye bye.